Keshav Puri, your Flipkart Tech Pro. And today I'm here to introduce something that will change the way we shop for smartphones. Flipkart Smart Pack is a revolutionary offering from Flipkart through which you get 100% money back on your smartphone purchase. Surprised? What if I tell you that through Smart Packs you also get a lot of other benefits too? So let's see what makes Smart Pack so special. 100% money back on your new phone, of course. The best online services for entertainment and more. Here's what all you can get. Complete mobile protection that protects your phone against screen damage, liquid damage and more. Freebies up to rupees 20,000. Get special offers from top fashion brands, food chains and lots more. Now let's go ahead and see how you can subscribe to a Smart Pack and get 100% money back on your smartphone purchase in 4 quick steps. Choose any smartphone with Flipkart Smart Pack. Pick a Smart Pack of your choice for either 12 or 18 months. Pay for your smartphone upfront and for your Smart Pack every month. Return the phone in any working condition and get money back credited to your bank account. When I say working condition, it basically means that the phone should turn on and the IMEI number should be visible on the phone screen during return. Now let's look at a live example to see how to purchase a Smart Pack on Flipkart. Select the phone of your choice between rupees 6,000 to rupees 17,000. Scroll down to Value Store and click on Smart Packs. Choose a pack amongst the 6 options as per your preference. You can select between gold, silver and bronze tiers, with each tier available in 12 months and 18 months tenure. The services in each pack will vary according to the selected plan. You can see all the services available in your plan once you select a pack. Click on Continue and review the amount that you will need to pay every month as per the tenure chosen and the money back you will get at the end of the tenure. Confirm the details and the plan gets selected along with your phone. You can continue with your purchase just like how you would normally do for any other purchase on Flipkart. Please note that you will have to pay for the phone's value and the first month's subscription fees at the time of checkout. So guys, that's how you can get 100% money back on your smartphone by just paying for a list of exciting services. This is unlike anything that you have seen before and will surely change the way India shops smartphones. So what are you waiting for? Check out Flipkart Smart Packs along with your next smartphone purchase and avail all these benefits.